Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to have my son build my NAS, and he really wasn't too happy about it, to be honest, but at the end he was pretty excited to see it load up.
Hey
All right.
guys.
Alright, go ahead.
So, building a PC for the first time. I've been using them, but not building them. Oh my god. Okay, I think
that one's pushed in.
okay, let me. Yes, kind of. Okay. Boom.
Okay.
Now. Okay, and we push it.
Oh, good job.
Push it. Okay.
Alright, so next thing is going to be this cooler right here. So notice how this clip and that clip
Are loose as heck.
Yep, they are loose as heck. So what this is going to do, and see what direction this cord's facing, it plugs in right here. So this would actually, this goes on just like this. All right. And then what you end up doing is, like, see this little piece of metal right here?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to want to push that. Hold on. Spin this bad boy. All right, now I want you to clip this other side over here onto the piece of.
Wait, like this?
No, yeah, you can plug that in.
I guess I'll do it this way, right?
No, you had it right. Here, let me get you a light, okay? Let me get you a light.
Oh, it's going in? Oh, there it is.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so, all right, now what you're going to want to do, all right, that's actually a little bit probably more difficult. All right, now the next thing is this thing.
Goes in that one, boy.
All right, I want you. All right, see all this stuff right here?
Mm-hmm.
It lines up with all that stuff right there. So go ahead and, like, set it. You can grab it by where I'm holding it. Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, come on.
Good job. Good job.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold on one second. All right.
And
Now, yep. Push it up over to there.
boom.
Perfect.
Now
just leave.
make sure it's right there.
And you see them holes? You lined it up perfect. Perfect. Okay, so another thing. Let me get you some light in here now, okay? All right, so.
Oh, maybe we use these screws to,
Yes.
And guys, remember that was just a guess. There's no script anywhere.
All right. So let me get you the screws that go in those holes. And all right. So one thing this thing right here is a magnetizer. This side is a demagnetizer. This is a magnetizer. So, like, if you put it in here and go like that, it'll hold a screw. It should hold a screw. Like that. So then what you do is you take this, set it right there,
Okay.
and you go just like that, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to keep finding you the right screws.
Okay. And
some of them may be black, some of them may be silver. It's just the way it is right now. No, you don't have to do it. It's already. If it doesn't hold the screw, that's when you do it. It's a wrong screw, probably.
I should untighten it.
Nope, it just is the wrong screw. You're fine.
Okay.
Alright. Got another good screw right. Let's do this top one, right? That one up there, okay?
Okay. Let me make sure. Okay. I had to make sure.
That's alright.
Oh wow, I forgot to. Let me get that magnum. Okay. Boom.
There you go.
Okay. Into
That top corner right down there. Okay, good.
okay, boom.
And I'm not sure if that's the same type of screw. Alright. And then,
Boom.
yep.
Oh.
Let's do the bottom corner right there.
Okay. Demagnetize.
That bottom corner right there.
Okay. And we just quietly do that. Oh,
Mhm.
oh yeah.
Yeah. Oop.
Oh no.
You can pick it up with it if it's magnetized.
Okay. Let me magnetize it some more. Right?
It should be okay.
Let me hit it.
Alright, don't go too fast. Nope, there's this bottom one right there. There you go.
What?
Back it up and just make sure it's going straight down. Now go.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me magnetize it some
Alright,
more.
and
We need one more.
okay.
And
There you go. There you go. And
enough.
this top corner right here. No. We already got one down there. This top corner right there.
Why can't we do that one?
We only actually have like 4 here that'll fit. So we're going to do the important 4 corners. So the other one's going to be right there, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Don't hit any obstacles.
Good job. You're like, it's almost like the game Operation, huh?
Make sure it's in.
Yeah, it's good. It's almost like that game Operation, huh?
What do you mean?
Where you pull the bones out of the body, or it makes a buzzer noise. Didn't you ever play the game Operation?
No.
We used to have it. You've played it, son. Okay. So the next thing is you're gonna plug this big cable in. All right. See how it has this clip?
Mhm.
Well, this plug right here has a clip on top. Sometimes it's on the bottom, sometimes it's on the top, but that's the direction that big plug face is.
Boom.
Perfect. Okay. See this plug?
Mhm.
Same idea, but over here. The plug actually goes towards the top. Here, let me get you a little.
Ah!
Just like that. All right. And now, see these little guys
Oh,
right
you
here?
tried doing a flashlight?
These we're just going to slide in. Like that. Actually, All right, the fun part. Okay, so you see the one that says power SW?
Mm-hmm.
That's the power switch. And that goes on these two pins right here. See 1 and 2?
Oh, yeah.
1 and 2. So it just goes, very surgically like that. Do you want to try? Or do you want me to push that in and you plug another one in? Okay.
Ooh.
All right. So let me see I got to see what you have in your hand. Okay. All right. So HD is hard drive LED. That's actually going to go, see the two red ones at the bottom, like boom, boom?
Yeah.
It plugs in.
To that?
Yep. Make sure it says HD LED that you have plugged in. I will. Okay, and then this one goes in the ones right above it. So the two that are right above the one
green,
you just
green?
plugged in. Yep.
Boom.
So what that did is you just plugged in all the power switch and the reset button and the light up here, okay? So that's what that did. Now, right here, I'm going to set this in here. All right. Do you want to put this in? Now that I know how it goes in?
Okay, so it goes in like right here, right?
Yep, and it goes up against the wall. Here, hold it like that.
Boom. Kind of easy.
You didn't do it though. Look.
Oh man.
All
You
right.
disappointed at me now?
No. All right, tighten this screw. Right there.
Tighten that clip.
Yep. Okay, and this ribbon, actually, see those yellow ribbons right there? Those yellow tabs? This
Goes in the first one?
Well, that notch right there, actually it needs to twist like that, because see the notch inside this little, that notch lines up with that notch.
Could it be in
either one, yes.
Okay.
You can put it in whichever one you want.
Building the PC is hard work.
And it's going to be kind of a tough push, but you go ahead and push her down good. Okay, I'm just going to double check. You did great. Okay. Now the only thing you need to do is put the power into these.
Okay.
Power goes into these.
Power number one.
Actually, you would want to put this one in the top one.
I feel like it's plugging in itself.
What do you mean?
Like the only thing is plugging into itself.
Like the computer's plugging into the computer?
Yeah.
It is. You're connecting all the components.
Okay.
That's for something else.
Yeah.
We don't actually have nothing in there.
Oh, man.
All right. So we just tuck this aside. All right. And then this right here. This.
Plug into that one?
Nope. It plugs into all these right here at the same time.
So it's the shorter.
The one,
This one?
Yes. Good job. Just push a little harder.
Boom.
Okay. All right. Dude, you're a natural.
No, I'm not.
Huh?
No, I'm not.
It's like you're naturally good at this. I mean, there's nothing wrong with being good at building what you do all the time, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you want to see how good you did? You want to see if it works?
Sure. So now
Hold on. What are you doing?
I'm just looking in.
Okay. Get that bad boy in there. Oh, okay. Let me pause this. Okay, so you see the power button right there?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and give her a good push. Let's see how well you did. All right, so it's on this screen right here, okay?
Okay.
Oh, look, we got some, look. What?
So, looks like I did good. Right?
It's looking like it, and it's loading it. Boom! Good job, dude. Good job.
If I missed one thing in that thing, it would just, like, stay off.
You wouldn't work. Yeah. Okay, so he went in there to skate around on his Heelys, and this thing just went to this screen. Is about to just load into the I think it would be considered the terminal of TrueNas. Okay, so sit down, and in this top search bar right here, I need you to type in, it's going to be 192. Ooh. So then you can type in, well, it took an extra like 5 seconds to load in, but you did it, Liam. Thank you very much.
Yep.
And go ahead and save that name.
And I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do? Well, you just created an entire server. You don't even know what to do with it? No, I'm fine. Well, thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.